How to apply for food stamps in Texas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps in Texas to help you get the assistance you need. To apply, visit the Texas Health and Human Services website and create an account on the Your Texas Benefits portal. Complete the application with your income details, household size, and expenses. You can apply online by email or by visiting a local HHS office. After submitting your application, an interview may be required to determine eligibility. Now you know how to apply for food stamps in Texas, allowing you to get started with the application process.